In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Ticket Intercom. To begin, make sure you are logged into Intercom and you are looking at the main dashboard. The first place you need to go is the left sidebar. Find Inbox and click it. Inbox is where Intercom keeps your ongoing customer conversations and support activity, so it is the right starting point when you want to create a new ticket. Once you are inside Inbox, look toward the top of the conversation list. You will see a plus icon. This plus icon is used to start something new from the inbox area. So go ahead and click the plus icon to open the creation menu. When the menu appears, select New Ticket. Choosing New Ticket tells Intercom you are creating a trackable support item rather than simply sending a message. Tickets help keep requests organized, assignable, and easier to follow through to completion. Next, you will search for the customer. In the customer field, start typing the customer name or identifier that your workspace uses, and pause for the results to populate. Select the correct customer from the list. Take an extra moment here to confirm you have picked the right profile, especially if multiple customers have similar names. Attaching the ticket to the correct customer keeps the history, context, and future updates connected in one place. After the customer is selected, choose the ticket type. Ticket type is important because it helps categorize the request, route it correctly, and report on it later. Pick the option that best matches the issue you are documenting. If you are unsure, choose the most accurate category available based on the customer request and the team that should handle it. Finally, fill in the title for your ticket. Make the title clear and specific so anyone scanning the ticket list can understand the request quickly. Use a short summary that describes the core issue or outcome needed. Once the title is complete, click Create Ticket. At that point, your new Intercom ticket will be created and ready for the next actions in your workflow. That covers everything you need to know.